Hello. Good morning nga pala. So, ngayon gagawa tayo ng isang mobile application na parang job list or job searching, job list. And the function will be you can search and apply jobs online. So, first of all, you need to install first Ionic. But first of all, you need to have an npm, then you install Ionic as a global, or it depends on you where are you going to install it. Then after that, you need to start your own project. Like you need to type Ionic start, the name of the project, which is the job, and then you can create a template like blank and side menu and etc. But since we already created a project named job, here you can see it here in our namespace. So we just need to start the project, like Ionic serve to start the project. So let's wait for a while. Okay. And now that I live, there always this precious time together. Right now we are waiting for the Ionic project to call the browser right here. Okay, so we have a fresh install Ionic framework. And then let's adjust this to, yeah, it's already in Galaxy 5. So this is what it looks in our mobile screen. So in creating our job list project, we need to connect to a certain API. So I was looking about the job street, if they have the API on it, but I guess they don't have API. But maybe they have their own API, then they just don't want to public it for the meantime. You can see any developers mode here or API right here below. So enough for that. So what I use is just the site of Indeed. This is still the alternative from JobStreet and other job sites, since they are the one who gave a developers mode and API. So I'm going to use my API account here. Excuse me. API account here for our mobile application. Okay, so I'm using an editor of Visual Code Studio. I use this because it's really amazing. And then after this, we need to go to source. We have one provider here. So here in our provider, we need to check if it's already there in our module. So we have here. And then what else? I think that's it. So here in our constructor, I want to declare URL into string, and then this URL will be equal to my current API, and then that's it. So in here we need to have a get search, and here below we need to get jobs. So that's it. So for this we need to return a promise, this http get from this URL. Should I just give it a try? And then after that, we need to follow this convention. You see that here in API, we need to copy this API search with my API here. Yeah, it suits you like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. I think we just need to copy this and tapos the query ko. We just need to add we just need to add the query or the job that we want to search here. Like programmer that we need to map and return a promise. Rest the JSON. Okay, that's good for now. And then here in our pages in our TS, we want to import our provider. So you we need to go back for to path, to directory, and then call providers and jobs. Yeah, drawn to you, it could be. And then after that, we need to declare here, to declare a new variable that equals to the instance of a job provider which we import in providers. Job prob is equal to this. Then here in Ion view did enter. Well, if you want to know more about what I am typing right now, like an Ion view did enter, we also have an Ion view did load. You can search for Ionic life cycle hooks, I guess, and then or life cycle, and then everything there you can see. And this this that job that get jobs that subscribe jobs. This job variable is equal to anything. It can be an array, string, integer. It could be a collection or an objects. Jobs is equal to a new instance of log. Let me log first before I display jobs. Alright, let's save and wait for a response. By the way, we're going to change the design that later on. Alright, uncode promise, no provide for HTTP error, no provider for H. Okay. I know this is crazy, but it's true. Fuck. Oh, wait. What happened to my mouse? Okay. Got it. Oh, let me see. It's refreshing. Open, sige. Ilagay ko na. Sorry for that. A client text me. Wait. Let me see the error. API polyfill CTI searched. Okay, that's fair enough. Let me check first here. That's great. We still need to have a format. I mean a version 2. Format. Okay. And format equal to JSON and this one. Alright. So I'm very sorry for that. Because here in API we need to follow a certain convention or a certain format in order to get a proper headers. I mean to send a proper headers, and then the server will give a response to us, a JSON response, because I changed the format into JSON. You can also set this to XML or in text, but for the sake of this, to make it more like reliable or good, or I don't know what's the correct word for that. And then so we just need to point it here. It's saved and wait for the application to respond. If it's load successfully, we need to receive a 200 status, then we'll be getting some information here. Alright, version 2, full status not found status. Oh, alright, so API here we have a double forward slash. Let's refresh. It's so in love with you. So here we receive an object. The object says it's invalid publisher number provided. So let me see. Thank you. Let me check this in Postman. Change to get. Okay, so we receive a list of jobs right here. So it says invalid publisher, so we need to correct this one. Change this one. Save. Okay, so here we receive a success command, and then we will be looking for the results. We have our result and array results. We have different objects here. We have 10 I guess is the minimum pagination. So we're going to display that available jobs which has I have okay, a query of Java. He's searching for a job which is related to Java. Wait. Okay. Check next type. And then let's just give a title here like Marlo's job. Excuse me, dai. Mundagway, karehan ng sa akong future wife. Adlaw, ikaw ragyod, ko ang gibukod-bukod. Wa baka malimo. Oops. You are Ionic card. Then let's have a Ionic header. Then Ion content. Let me check first here. Header. Here, save, then will automatically refresh. Adlaw, ikaw ragyod. Okay, and then for the rest of it you can go with the documentation in Ionic, and then here in components we have cards. It's an ion card header, so my code lacks something like the card. Alright, so let's refresh our app. So we receive this, we have this kind of output. So what we are gonna do is we change this header into the job title, and then some of the details here below. So here we have this output, and then results. Get results. Let's wait for a moment. I really don't know. My computer slow down. So here we have the objects. So for this we need to go to our home HTML, and then let's delete this. Oh yeah, and then here in cards again we need to implement this for loop. Let jobs of jobs, and then the header will be, let's see, the company, no, subjects. What are we going to post first? The job title, and below is the company. Job title, company. Is it singular company? Yeah, I guess so. Let's see. And then wait for a response. Okay, so we have here Java developer, and then the company will be here below. If you lost you will find me. So here, this is perfect. So what are the details that we want to put below? Maybe I want to put the date when this job has been posted. This format relative, I guess this is quite really nice. It's user readable, like 7 days ago. What else? So we have the job title, the company 7 days ago. So lastly, we need to put the apply and or view details. Okay. So we are going to put some buttons, round, color, primary, view. Button. Let me change this one. And then here we need to put an iron button, round with the color of primary. Let's see if it turns to round. And then alright, view. And then second will be apply. Danger. Apply. Alright, that looks quite amazing. So here in my navbar, I want primary. I want to make the color of the navigation bar into a blue, and then with the background of which one? Maybe we can make a like light page home or content. Oh, background into, I want to stick with my flat UI colors. This one. I want to override the colors. And where is it? Okay, so we're going to put a pagination for this and some design in part 2, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.